We now know the name of the tractor-trailer driver who was killed when his cab burst into flames on the Mass Pike in Lee Monday night. Berkshire County DA office spokesman Fred Lance told 22 News that 31-year-old Jordan Hunt of Genesee, Pennsylvania, died in the crash. His cab burst into flames after he rear-ended another truck traveling eastbound. State police say off-duty firefighters who happened to be nearby tried but were unable to free him from the burning cab. The driver of the other truck was not seriously hurt.